The Reports area in QuickBooks reflects its value, stressing again the output is only as good or valuable as the input. From the drop-down menu, you can access an amazing amount of information in real time within seconds. But before we dive into this, there's a Reports and Graphs section in the Preferences Setup area with a variety of options and switches for both the individual user and company-wide standards. Any of these settings can be easily changed at any time. The more experience you have pulling up the reports and analyzing the data, these switches will have more meaning, such as getting the Report Options screen before the system automatically creates the report, or options to refreshing the reports, to defaults for reporting on an accrual or cash basis. Noting that this can be easily changed in the Customize Report screen from any report that is pulled up. It should be noted here, the reports are based on time frames. Quickly pulling up and analyzing a report without noting the dates, at least initially, will cause some minor frustration. Resolving this comes with experience from using the reports. There's a drop-down listing for pre-canned parameters, which are handy. You can customize the report a variety of ways. Selection of a date range from the drop-down menu or inputting your own range. Choose your reporting basis. Choose a variety of ways to display the columns. Add subcolumns by checking the boxes. You can filter your report an endless amount of ways. You can change how you want your reports to look and print, from headers and footers to fonts and numbers. You can memorize your reports with any of these parameters for future efficiency. An example is saving a last month's profit and loss report, so each month you get your report with just a couple of keystrokes. You can export your report to Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. You can hide or show the header information. You can expand or collapse the report, which involves the sub-accounts, giving more detail or more of a summary view. You can refresh your report at any time if amounts for transactions have changed. The Report Center is another way of organizing and looking at the reports and data. With all the different ways of looking at the data, it can sometimes be overwhelming. From the drop-down menu, you can access the company snapshot. Some call it the dashboard, a valuable feature of which we suggest adding to your icon bar. It has 3 tabs or areas in your QuickBooks: Company, Payments, and Customers. And you can customize and add content in various types of visual formats based on your own preference. If the phrase, "a picture is worth 1,000 words," then this feature, with its charts and graphs, is priceless.